Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Classification of fungus. This is based on completely the spore formation. So what are the things included? It includes the four major types, starting with the glomerulomyota. The glomeromycota, the first one is there's a lobar fungi with the non-septate hyphae. There is a lobar fungi and there is a NSH, that is a non-septate hyphae. And there's asexual spores are known as the sporangiospores. So we have asexual spores. These asexual spores are known as the sporangiospores, and they are present within the swollen sac structures known as the sporangia. So they are in the structures known as the sporangia, and these are the asexual spores. Next, the sexual spores are known as the zygospores or the oozospores. So they are OZ, or you can call it a zoo. So zoo, that is ZO, it stands for the zygospores as well as the oospores. So this is glomerulomyota. Next, moving on to the ascomyota. So what is meant by the ascomyota? Mycota. So ascomycota is nothing but asexual spores. They are known as the conidia. So asexual is known as conidia. Sexual spores is known as the ascospores. They are found within the sac or the ascus. Then moving on to the basidiospores. These basidiospores, asexual spores, are known as the conidia. They are the asexual spores. And then comes the sexual spores. The sexual spores are known as the basidiospores. And the asexual spores are known as the conidia. The sexual spores are known as the basidiospores. And this is on the basidium or the base. Next, moving on. So what we need to know is in basidiospores, the sexual is known as the conidia, as well as in ascomycota it is known as conidia. Then moving on to the deuteromycetes. So here in deuteromycetes, it is the fungi imperfecti or known as a hypomycetes. So hypomycetes is the sexual stages are yet to be discovered in this case. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.